Hey, it's Dustin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lose weight using CBD oil. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I will tell you how you can get a free copy of my new book, How to Lose Weight with CBD. So stick with me. So I'm really excited to be able to announce to you that my book has been published. It's right here, How to Lose Weight with CBD. You might be thinking to yourself, I didn't know that you could lose weight with CBD. And so in this book, I explain the health benefits of taking a daily dose of CBD oil, how it works with your endocannabinoid system, and the first couple chapters are all about that. I also combine the benefits of the keto diet in this book. And in the book, there are 33 CBD-infused keto recipes. So really what this is it's a cookbook. So if you are one that is thinking about losing weight, you're like, I want to lose weight, I want to get healthy again, then this book combines the health benefits of taking a daily dose of CBD and the keto diet so that you can have a low-carb diet and treat your body and condition your body to be able to burn fat, and that's how you lose weight. It's a really healthy way to do it, and I know that you're gonna feel great once you read this book and implement the principles that I talk about in this book. If you're new to CBD and you wanna learn about the health benefits of how CBD works within your body to bring about homeostasis in your body, then you'll definitely wanna check out my other videos and subscribe to this channel. There are many studies being done on the benefits of CBD on our body, but one of the studies suggests that CBD actually helps break down fat in our bodies. The cool thing with our CBD tinctures that we sell right from our farm, Green Method Farms, is that we cut the CBD with MCT oil. Now, MCT oil is a staple in the keto diet as a healthy fat. And so it helps train your body, if you're cutting out the carbs and using healthy fats and healthy eating, to be able to break down, and your body will then start to burn fat instead of carbs for energy. Therefore, you're actually cutting the fat away and you're losing weight as a result. This CBD tincture has the MCT oil that you need for that daily dose of healthy fat. So you're actually getting the benefits of CBD as well as the benefits of the healthy fat of MCT oil. So it's a great companion for the keto diet. The book goes a little bit more in detail about the concepts of how CBD oil and the keto diet actually work hand in hand. And those are in chapter 1 and 2. But really what this book is all about is the recipes. So you'll notice that there are 33 CBD-infused recipes. On the left side of each page is a full page image of what the dish will look like. And on the right side is the recipe along with cooking instructions and ingredients. Now you can get the hard copy of my new book and the digital version right on Amazon. Put the link down in the description. But as promised, I told you that I would show you how you could get this book for free. Now here's the deal. I farm hemp and we extract the oil at our facility right here in Central Oregon, and we turn it into these CBD products. Now these products go directly into the recipes that I put in this book, and they're going to be great because food actually helps the body absorb the CBD into your system. Now, if you purchase one of our CBD tinctures right from greenmethodfarms.com, I'll post the link down in the description, I will give you the digital copy of this book for free. So, purchase one of our CBD bottles, which are already highly discounted from our website at Green Method Farms, and I give you the digital version of this book for free. So if you're interested in the benefits of CBD on the body and healthy living, then be sure to watch my other videos on this channel and subscribe to my channel because I'm uploading new videos all the time. If this video has been helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about the book or our CBD products, be sure to post those in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer those for you. Again, if you want to purchase our CBD oil or the book, you can go right to greenmethodfarms.com. The book's available at Amazon. You'll just search Lose Weight with CBD and it'll pop right up. Thanks again for watching and make today extraordinary.
I have tried the tincture that I bought from Dustin, Green Method Farms. I had trouble sleeping and sometimes I get anxiety, so I've taken this and it's really helped immensely. I highly recommend it.
I had quite a bit of joint pain, especially in my shoulder, and had struggles sleeping through the night. And since using Green Method, I've been sleeping much better and my shoulder pain is gone.